Jaden, wag. Jaden, you have rice here. Dali, alisin mo yung rice mo doon. Jaden, may kanin ka dito, oh. Right here, Jaden, may kanin ka, oh. Oh. Ayun, oh. Jaden. Dan, kanin sa ano, commercial. Paano? Show mommy. It's like CeeLo Green. How does CeeLo Green do it, Jaden? Come on, show mommy. Dan, ba't binubuksan mo yung cabinet? Hindi yan lata, ha? Jaden, stop that. Put it back. Are you still eating the rice? No? Ayan, naku. Uh-oh. Jaden? O, ano namang kalokohan mo? Sige, ice cream ba yan? That's not ice cream. Jaden? Ulit. Ayos. Ba't may Jaden? What is it?
Sauce.
That's not a sauce. That's rice.
Soup.
Soup. Yeah, mommy's cooking soup. Jaden? Oh! Dan! Kalukuhan mo talaga. Jaden? Sige. Jaden, don't play with the rice. Are you going to eat that? Jaden. Shh. Oh. What are you gonna do with that rice? Jaden, ha? Sige. Where are you going?